Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August.
Eight of Swords. Somebody's frustrated because they're feeling stuck. They're feeling stuck. Two of Cups trying to jump out. This person, they want to be with you, but maybe somebody's stuck in a commitment, and then there's the Hierophant reverse. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Somebody basically knows they have to get out of a commitment, a marriage, a contract. There's something here they got to get out of, right? But they're afraid that at this point, if they get out of a situation, you're not going to want them. And see, I told you, they're manifesting you. Didn't I tell you we're calling in your soulmate? They're manifesting to be with you. But this person, whoever it is, they move slow. They've been taking their time, you know, coming towards you, see? And because it's like they can't make up their mind. This person needs to make a decision, but they know that they were being sneaky towards you in the past. And they love, it's like they love you, though. It's like the two of you, you have a connection. Somebody could be dealing with the Gemini, but they want to give you that offer, the love offer. Tell me more. They're just afraid things aren't going to improve between the two of you. Why? Because you cut them off. You cut this person off. You were tired of the back and forth, the nonsense, them not committing, you know, or you found out something. And the thing is, this is why they can't sleep. They're up in their head 24/7 trying to figure this out. You know, it's like, even though the two of you are probably not speaking, they can't stop thinking about you. And see, I told you, it's like they want to get out of their head, but the way it came out, they can't. You know, it's like, girl, I almost said girl. Sorry, y'all. This guy's probably watching this too. It's like, this person, ooh, but you're getting justice. And you know what? That's probably why, because they tried to move on. Maybe this person tried to forget about you, but they can't. Somebody could be dealing with the Libra, but they want to know how you feel. Because they're upset with themselves. Yeah, this person, I'm telling you, they were sneaky. You know, yep, they play mind games. Whoever this was, trickster energy, play mind games, could have been dealing with an Aries, you know, very arrogant, stubborn, and that's why they're saying I lost, you know, him or her because of that. You know, I'm upset with myself because now this person doesn't want to put any energy into me. They're not going to give me another chance because what I did to them in the past. And see, they're isolating themselves from me. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Why is the devil here? The Emperor and the Empress, yeah, so it's soulmate or twin flame, but this person is afraid to have this new beginning with you because they know you're probably not going to take their offer. They're not content with how they, you know, left things off with you. And see, they're not talking, I'm telling you, you're not talking to this person right now. Yeah, 11-11, you definitely have a strong connection with this person, but with these two fours, they're afraid that things aren't going to improve because family got in the way, or some type of family situation, or they're going to live in a situation that, you know, played out in this scenario. And the thing is, I'm telling you, Ace of Wands reverse, they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and this is what they're telling themselves. So what they're doing, they're just more so just focusing on themselves, their money, throwing themselves into their work. Because even though, like, they want to heal things with you, I'm telling you, you're going to get an offer from them because they want to have a commitment, but I still see them having to give to someone else, and that's the problem. Yeah, they want to take action, you know, and I see communication coming in. Yeah, this person's going to tell you the truth. Somebody could be dealing, I'm sorry, y'all, somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But yeah, it's like they want to move forward with you. Why is the Knight of Wands here? Yeah, but they could have played games, could have been being a player, giving to everybody, being, inconsistent, and they're going to put an end to that. This person's going through a transformation. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But because of their, I heard player ways, yeah, somebody was playing games. They feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. You don't want to give them a chance, but they're saying, I want a victory. But they're still not listening to their intuition. Because it's like, I'm telling you, this person's just throwing themselves into their career right now. And at the end of the day, they know they're going to have to put in the work to win you back. But they're not doing anything. They're dragging their feet. Because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. See, they fear you're not going to take their offer. Y'all not making this easy for them. They're going to have to, like, even if they come back and they tell you what's going on, they want to give you another chance. If you say, no, I'm good, no, you keep doing the same thing, I'm healing, I'm moving on, you shut it down, they're going to be stuck like, wait, what? And so, because they're so used to being honestly easy, coming back in and you're not making it easy, they're going to have to try again and again. You see what I'm saying? Hell, it might be up to 4 times. They're going to have to keep trying. You know, they're going to have to show you, I'm serious, I'm not playing around. See, because they know you're not happy with them. And see, they're upset. They're upset with themselves because they missed out. So I see them having the strength to come towards you. Look at that. I told you, you're going to get an offer once they get out of their head. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. You're their wish fulfillment. They know they're supposed to be with you, have a family with you. See, there you are. It's like, you're a go-getter. Like, they want you. You're a blessing to them. And I told you, they're going to come out of being frustrated. But see, then again, they don't listen to their intuition because then they start getting their head thinking you're going to let them go. See? Even the way the 8 of Cups came out, they fear you're going to walk away from them, I'm telling you. And they do not want you to leave them at all. And that's why they're stuck. They're just stuck in their mind. They're stuck in their head. See, and that's why they can't move forward. This is a part of their lesson. Their lesson is to speak up. They're going to have to work for you. Like, you're not going to make this easy, I'm telling you. Yep. They're going to free themselves. Whatever situation that they're in, they are going to get out of it. They are going to have a peace of mind. They're going to come towards you, see? Apologizing for their behavior, apologizing for what they did in the past. Yep, because look at that Ace of Pentacles. You will get the offer that you deserve. But right now, it's like they're just making a decision. This person, I feel like they're going through karma. And they're seeing the truth for what it really is. They're on the right path. They choose you. They want to be with you. See, they broke your heart possibly because of a third-party situation, but they want to heal your broken heart. See, I told you, they left you out in the cold. They want to heal that. This person stabbed you in the back so many times. This is why they're afraid he or she is not going to get another chance. See? Because of a codependent situation that they were in, because of codependent behaviors, and this is why they're not taking a leap, because they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. So I'm seeing that they're going to make a decision, but they're afraid things aren't going to improve, and you're going to cut them off. I told you, you're going to shut the door. See, they're going to tell you, look, I got out of a third-party situation, you know, but the way the Chariot came out, it's like they're not moving forward, but they want to move forward with you, right? See, they don't know how to fix it. They don't know what to do. If they had options, this person was a player in the past, they got rid of their options. They don't want to play games. But they know your guard is up, and this is why they're undecided about what to do. I'm sorry, you could be dealing with a Cancer, somebody could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but they know that they didn't balance things out with you. They hurt you, and they feel like you're not going to open up to them, but they're coming back to turn things around. So let's see. What messages does this person have for Sagittarius? Ooh, something to talk about. You are the best thing in my life. You came closer to anyone. Excuse me, you came closer than anyone. Read that too fast. Okay. I know that I crossed the line with you. See what I'm saying? It's like you guys could have given them chance after chance, and they kept betraying your trust. I lost myself for a little while. I couldn't let you get close to me. I love you. I feel you leaving me behind. Didn't I tell you? They're going to have to work. Just being near you is intoxicating. Let me flip this over. I wish I could share my good news with you. I wonder if you are happy without me. I know I messed everything up. You speak to me through music, and I wish that I could take back my words. I'm telling you, they're going to have to fight for you because they messed up too many times. So many times. Okay. So, alright, let's see. Alright, Spirit. What messages do you have for Sagittarius? Messages and or advice for Sagittarius. Okay, guys, bottom of the deck, I have the 9 of Pentacles reversed. You guys, overall, you don't have a peace of mind with this person. Ooh, you had, okay, 9 of Cups. So the fact that there were 2 9s there, you were going through lessons with this person. You're like, that cycle is done. You know, you've been working on your self-healing. Now things are getting ready to improve in your life. And that's why you definitely do have an offer coming in for you. But the truth, is this somebody coming to tell them the truth? Yeah. They're going to tell you that they changed, but see, your guard is up. You're going to hear them out, but see, because there's still another woman here. You guys are like, no. No, you'll hear them out, but you know there's somebody else still in the picture. And that's why you're like, I don't see myself having a victory with you because of this third party situation. Yep, you had options. You know, this other person had options. And that's why you're saying, I'm putting it into it. You know, and at the end of the day, I'm telling you, you're going to receive fast communication that this person wants things to improve with you, but you don't have a peace of mind about it at all. Yeah, they took too long. They were dragging their feet to make a decision, so I feel like you made one for them. The seeds you planted, you want them to grow. Okay. Oh, hold on. Yeah, but see, it's like you're saying you don't want to be with this person, but then the next minute it's like I see you still wanting to be with them, but then at the same time you're like they were a player. They played games with you. Inconsistency. That's why you're like, I don't see things improving with this person. See? Ooh. You're going through a tower. You're going through a tower moment right now. Because at the end of the day, it's like you don't want to let them go. Give me a few more cards, please, Sagittarius. Yep, but you've been healing. You're not in that same sad energy that you were before. You've been really working on yourself. But see, you're back and forth with the Two of Pentacles. You guys got to make a decision. See, I told you, you've been focusing on yourself. You know, but with the moon and the way it came out, Spirit is literally saying, please listen to your intuition. Because a lot of you are afraid, I feel like, of giving this person a chance. Yeah, see, your guard is up. And you know, you have every right to have your guard up. See, because look, you're tired of the cycles. You're tired. You're tired of these cycles. And you're like, I'm in a good space. Let me see what jumped out. You're in a good space. You're like, I'm not overthinking things anymore. But I'm telling you, you're going to receive communication. The truth is going to come out. And you're saying that, you know what, I had to free myself from this situation, from the past, because there could have been a family situation here. And it's like you want happiness with them, but you're not positive about it because there could be another person. I'm telling you, there's some type of family situation going on here, whether this person has a family with you and or someone else. This could be like their mother blocking or some type of mother figure blocking or the mother of their child or children blocking. You know, and that's why you're like, there's no balance. I can't keep doing this. Ooh, this isn't the end of your story. This is one of them to be continued because I don't think this is over with. I ain't going to sit here and lie to y'all. I don't think this is over. So, leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. Okay, guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Sagittarius. Bye.